$211,572.11 selling simple digital products using Claude AI. Let me go ahead and refresh the screen so you know it's completely real. As you can see, I don't edit my videos. It's all right there still. And if you do $211,572.11 divided by 4, you get about $53,000 per month. So in the last 30 days, I have generated about $52,000 per month on average in the last 4 months. And in this video, I'm going to show you my simple process on how I do this. It does not mean it's magic that once you try what I'm doing, that it's going to work for you. I'm just documenting my journey so you can kind of get inspiration from it and try it out if you want. So the first thing I do is I use this tool called PDF Trend Lab. I'll leave a link in the description and pinned comment of this video so you can try it out for yourself. This tool takes search terms from online, Google, Facebook, Reddit, everywhere. It takes those search terms, specifically problems and issues people are searching for a resolution to online in real time, and then it turns them into PDF guide ideas. There's nothing like it out there, and that's exactly why I use it. You don't have to use it. I'm just showing you what I do. So what I do is when I'm on PDF Trend Lab, I come here and I click generate ideas. And as you can see, you can, select the niche that you want to, choose. You can do other if you want. Me personally, I know parenting is a good niche because I've been selling PDF guides for over a year. And I know that when, parents are looking for a resolution to something, they're more likely to go ahead and, give you their money, So I go there to parenting, and then I click generate ideas, and then PDF Trend Lab will literally pull up issues and problems people are looking for a resolution to. And my philosophy is quite simple. If I see green, I'm simply gonna test it. Once I find an idea and I save it, all I'm simply gonna do is come here, copy this, and then I'm gonna go to Claude AI, and then I'm going to paste that title and subtitle that I got from PDF Trend Lab. And as you can read that, it says, create an entire PDF guide for the title and subtitle. What I copied and pasted from PDF Trend Lab, make the title and subtitle short and punchy so it's easy to read and understand, because obviously this right here, when people see it on a PDF guide, it's too long, it's too much going on. You want punchy, straight to the point, and emotional so it can grab them to then go ahead and give you their money. And then design the entire PDF guide with the pages designed as well. Once you give Claude that prompt, look what Claude is going to give you. An entire PDF guide that you can go ahead and sell. And the next thing you want to do is then build your website using Shopify. If you don't know how to build a Shopify store, I have a 3+ hour free course right here on YouTube that I'll link in the description and pinned comment of this video as well. So you can kind of see how I do everything, push each and every single button. That's why it's 3+ hours long. The information in that video is something other, gurus charge you hundreds and thousands of dollars for, but I don't sell a course. I don't collect your emails. I don't do mentorship. I don't do any of that. Why? Because I actually make money doing what I preach on this YouTube channel. And all I want from you guys is to be able to reach 1 million subscribers, keeping it real, keeping it raw, and keeping it honest. So if you're new here, just like this video and subscribe. Please! No! It's a win-win. I get my dream and you also get to learn something from me, hopefully. But yeah, check out that 3+ hour course if you want to see how to build your store using Shopify. However, if you don't want to do it yourself, guess what? PDF Trend Lab also offers fully built Shopify store. So I'll also leave a link to that in the description and pinned comment of this video. Okay, so once your website is built, then the next step is how do you get people here? Enough people. I got 153,000 people to then convert $211,000 in 4 months. How did I do that? Well, for this PDF guide right here, it is a parenting PDF guide, right? So all I did was I went on YouTube, typed in parenting, and then as you can see, a bunch of YouTube influencers will pop up. And the reason why I use YouTube influencers is because when a YouTube influencer says something, the fan or the person that is watching that video is more likely to then trust them, simply because they're spending 10 minutes, over 10 minutes with the YouTuber. In this video, they're spending an hour with this YouTuber. You understand what I'm saying? Okay. So for example, if I'm gonna use this lady right here, she has 1 million subscribers. She's probably gonna charge me $5,000. I can afford to pay $5,000, but because this video has 300,000 views, I would probably make about $50,000 from that one video. You don't have to use influencers with 1 million subscribers. As you can see, they're influencers with 82,000 subscribers that still get views that will charge you far less than $5,000, $10,000. This influencer will probably charge you about $100 because they only have 82,000 subscribers, maybe slightly more. You can negotiate, right? So pretty much just find influencers in that niche that fit your budget, okay? Now, for example, if we're going to contact this influencer right here, here's exactly how I would do it. So her right here with 1 million subscribers, I like her. I'm just going to open up her channel, click that, and as you can see, it says view email address right there. When you click it, boom, her email address is right here. You can then go ahead and contact her. And how I do that is by using this mail provider called Zoho, okay? The reason why I use it is because they provide professional email addresses. So if you're contacting her, for example, and you're using, Gmail, she probably will not respond because, no one's gonna take you seriously. But if you use something like Zoho, okay, and your email is sponsor@leongreen.com, they're going to open your email and take you more seriously, and they're not gonna think it's spam or some scam or whatever the case is. But yeah, so what I send them is this right here, something similar to this. You can pause this video, take a screenshot. I'm gonna scroll down slowly, and yeah, feel free to read that. And there you have it. This is exactly how I use Claude AI to generate over $50,000 per month in the last 4 months. Here's the 3+ hour course that'll show you how to do everything I just said, including running Facebook ads. And if you don't have money to even pay for ads at all, how to become your own influencer to do it organically. Please! No!